The ongoing 7th China-South Asia Exposition in Kunming, capital city of southwest China's Yunnan province, has attracted more than 30,000 exhibitors, representatives, and guests from 85 countries and regions to attend online and on-site. Some exhibitors have shared their views on the 5-day expo that opened Wednesday.
We have been visiting Kunming South Asia Expo many times. We have seen the Kunming Fair is been growing larger, and we have been getting a lot of support from the Yunnan government and the people, the organizers. It has been a very pleasant stay during our exhibition. We look forward for good cooperation with Chinese business people to have a joint venture.
This expo is very good, but this is a good platform to sell our product here.
So I get to experience like a culture of different countries where I have not been before, and we get to meet very different people. I think it's gonna get better and better.